Today I'm going to show you how to remove paragraph symbols in Outlook. If you've ever noticed those little backwards P symbols showing up in your emails, they're actually formatting marks that help you see where paragraphs end. While they can be useful for editing, they can also be distracting when you're just trying to write or read your emails. Let me walk you through how to turn them off quickly. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Once you're signed in, you'll see your inbox and all your messages appear on the screen. This gives you access to all the tools and features you'll need to adjust your email formatting settings. Once your email has been loaded, you'll need to access your email tools to find the formatting options. To do this, click on the New Email button located on the top left part of your screen. This opens up a fresh email composition window, which is where all the formatting controls live. Even though you're not actually sending an email right now, this is the easiest way to reach the formatting tools that control how paragraph symbols display. From the email composition screen, look at the top part of your screen where your tools are located. You'll see several tabs across the ribbon. Click on Format Text to open up all the text formatting options available in Outlook. This tab contains everything from font styles to paragraph alignment settings. Once you're in Format Text, look for the Paragraph section. This is typically found in the middle of the toolbar and contains various paragraph formatting options. Now, removing paragraph symbols is pretty much straightforward. This is a toggle on and off feature that you can enable and disable with a single click. Simply look for the Paragraph Marks button, which looks like an inverted letter P. Click on it to remove the symbols that appear on paragraph lines in your email body. The moment you click this button, those formatting marks will disappear from your text, giving you a cleaner view of your email content. And that's it. You've removed the paragraph symbols from Outlook, making your email composition experience much cleaner and less cluttered. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.